Hello! You liked the epic beard microphone, so it's here again. Now, what happened? If you remember, a couple of weeks ago, I've ordered a box from this Gadget Discovery Club. It was a trial box, and I wasn't very impressed with it because the thing inside was a little speaker, which cost pretty much the same amount you could pay for the box. And I thought I canceled my subscription. It turned out I didn't. So I paid £69, Lamal, and I got a new box. I learned my lesson, and I'm not going to look what's on this piece of paper because this is going to tell me what's inside the box. And that's going to spoil it. So here is the box. I was thinking I can just cancel this order and I can send it back, but I decided against it. So let's do this. The Gadget Discovery Club full box now, this time. So it should have a thing inside that cost more than £100. Hopefully it's going to be something cool that I'm going to like and not a nonsense thing. Should have get my knife. How cool it's going to be if it's a super special knife inside that costs more than £100. Would that be considered a gadget? I don't know. Yes! I got this thing off. Is this producing enough ASMR? I don't know. Cool. Is it one thing or two things? So it's 4 things. Let's get them one at a time. What I'm going to do, I'm going to switch the camera and I'm going to point it down so you can see what's inside the box. Yeah, let's do this. Okay, here we go. So I wished for a very special knife. What is that? Momo stick. The first complete finger grip. What is that thing? It's one of those things you put on your phone. So easy and safe for one-handed operation. Yeah, I'm pretty much doing this now, but okay. One finger is enough to carry the phone. Okay. Self-standing, horizontal and vertical, adjustable, flexible finger grip, selfie, no problem. All these things. So it's basically like one of those ring things. I like this effect here. Okay, cool. I'm probably never going to use this. So next, Key Smart compact key holder. Pretty much self-explanatory. I have 2 keys, and if I start using this thing, that's going to make them bigger than they are. Cool gadget. If you have a lot of keys, I guess. For me, not really. It's modular, looks like, so you can add. That's a bottle opener I can see there. Is that a USB stick? Yeah, but they need to have the right holes, so you can just attach them to this thing. Yeah, okay, another thing that I'm probably never going to use. That can't be true. I was looking extensively for the last couple of months, and I wanted to try a carbon fiber wallet. The only thing that stopped me from buying one was that it creates a lot of friction, or at least I assumed so, between the cards you put in. So sooner or later, everything on the card is going to get sanded out. But that's a nice surprise. Okay, that's actually something I wanted. The value of those things is about 25 to 40 pounds. So far we're looking at something like, I don't know, 70. So the last thing should match up. What is that? Native HQ wireless charger. All right. That's good. I already have a wireless charger for my iPhone, which is the original one issued from Apple. So that is another thing I'm not going to use. Look at this. So it's USB Type-C, the cable it takes, and it's only 1 meter long. But anyway, wireless charge, 10 watts, 1 user manual, 1 cable. It supports 5 charging, QC3, and so on and so on. And that is this issue of the Gadget Discovery box. I would say interesting things. Apart from the wallet, nothing that really wows me. But yeah. So if you want me to resubscribe and keep spending a lot of money that I don't want to spend, it's in your hands. You need to do the things you know I want you to do. Subscribe, share, comment, and if we get this video to a decent amount of views and likes, I might reconsider paying the £69 for the next box. Yeah, I'm looking forward to start using this. So if you have any questions for any of those things, just let me know in the comments. Can somebody do me a favor and check the retail price, combine them, and put them in the comments as well? And that way we will all know if it costs over 100 or not really. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.